Attitude to us.
It's not about attitude.
You are showing attitude. You are showing attitude.
I'm just wearing this one. No, that's why I'm rewarding you.
Yes, you have to revert back. You are getting paid for that,
That's why
and your
I'm
salary
listening
comes
to you.
from our
That's why I'm
pocket.
listening to you, sir. That's why I'm listening to you also. The thing is, I'm wearing this linear. That's why.
Yes,
sir.
that's why you have to listen to it.
That's why I'm listening to
Yes, you have to
also.
listen.
I'm standing here.
How rudely you are saying we can't provide with tea also.
Because, sir, this is the option the company has been given me. I'm not allowed to give you.
So ask your company,
other
na?
tea or
Then ask your
service.
company.
That's why, ma'am, the company is not allowing me to give you tea.
Ask your company. Ask your company first.
Who is the highest authority of your company standing? There should be a manager over here, right? Let that person come and step in.
Yes.
We want to talk to that person.
You want.
কিছু প্রোভাইড করছে না, হাজার মতন আমরা এখানে দাঁড়িয়ে আছি।
Just because we're keeping quiet is not done. You are not doing us any favor over here.
क्या होता है?
You are wasting our time and energy.
আমি ফটো তুলে রাখছি কয়টা।
कुछ है नहीं।
ওনার ফটো তুলে কি হবে?